Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So start off, we will need to go into the settings. For me, it's on the second page right here. And in settings, you want to scroll all the way down till you see accounts, like right here. So just tap on it, then choose other account, and then tap on add account. Now make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi as I am right now. Oops. Otherwise you won't be able to actually log into anything. So from adding account, you want to choose Google, let it load field, and here put in your email address. I'm gonna put in mine, so and then tap on next, and here put in your password for that email. So I'm just gonna put in mine, and then again tap next. Okay, so you will see this, the Google Terms of Service, once you tap on next. So now just choose I agree to confirm it and proceed on, and then make sure that this is on backup to Google Drive, and then tap on I agree. And now as you can see, you have a new account, and when you tap on it, you can tap on it on the account itself, and from here you have a choice of what you want to sync in with Google. So as you can see, you have app data, calendar, contacts, drive, Gmail, and so on. And basically all of this, whatever you add to this phone from these categories, will be synced to Google Drive. And for instance, if you logged in with the same account on a different device, it will basically put the same information on the other device. But if you want to keep something just on this device, so it's not synced in with other basically devices on the same account, you can just do something like so, turn it off, contacts, calendar, and now those things won't be synced anymore. They will only be on your device, which is this one. So that's basically how you enable the Google Backup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.